Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case from Ringke for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. I decided to pick up this case from Amazon. I was just looking online for a different case and I came across this one. I had this case for the Z Fold 3 and it was really good, so I decided to pick it up for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Like we normally do in my videos, we'll check out the fit, how does everything line up, does it have bulk to your phone, and just go over the overall design of the case. Now here is the packaging. It is the Ringke Folio signature case. Bam, if y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. A little bit different packaging from Ringke. So it has a little strap. And then it has a piece of Velcro. Is there something in the box? Oh, okay. So this is like a pen holder. All right, I didn't even recognize it in the picture, but this is a pen holder and it has Velcro. Oh, now Velcro's on there pretty good. Now we have to do the smell test. Smells pretty good. And then it has the strap too, so you can hold it. I don't know if I would carry the pen all the time, but if you want to, you can. And then I guess if you want to take it off, just take it off. I don't know, we'll see how that looks. So you have a little card slot here. Then you have the inside, the money spot. You do have a little piece of adhesive here. It says Folio Signature Ringke. So that back is hard plastic. Let's pull off the adhesive strips. I'm not a fan of adhesive strips, but I'm gonna try it out with it on there. All right, so that fits pretty snug. See, the thing with these cases is how this thing just flaps there. It's not horrible, but it's definitely not the best. But let's see the overall. So at the bottom, the USB Type-C is open. On the side, you have the power button and volume rockers. At the top, the cutouts line up there too. So when you close it, it has the hinge protection on there. Just like that. The little strap, so if you want to just carry the phone like this. You do have a little Ringke brand in there. And then it's a magnetic clip, so it just clips shut. It won't open. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. And then the strap goes in. So again, this case is if you go out of town or go out on a town and you want to not carry a big wallet and you want to just carry your phone, you carry a big phone with you. You can put your money in here. You can put your ID and probably a credit card or a debit card. And then you have it there. The one thing too with these cases, the fingerprint scanner kind of gets, you know, this little flap right here gets in the way a little bit. But I think you can wireless charge too. Let's see. Maybe. And you can wireless charge with the strap on that. Now, if you put the little pen support, you're probably not going to be able to charge it. All right, so I have my pen here. I'm gonna put that in the holder and then put the Velcro. So that's it right there. So you can carry your pen at the same time. And then if you just need it, take it off. And then if you don't need the whole thing, you just pull this off and you can take it off. The one thing about the Velcro, it's on there though. Yeah, so the one thing, if you're trying to get this off a couple times, I don't know how many times you want to take off the pin, because that Velcro is definitely stuck on there pretty good. Yeah, I mean, you can get it off, but I don't know if I want to keep on taking it on and off. But this is definitely some strong Velcro. It's not your everyday Walmart Velcro. So that's pretty cool. What y'all think? Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Like I said, I probably use this case if I'm going out somewhere. I don't want to carry a big wallet and the big phone, so I can just carry the phone. I definitely, yeah, this looks nice. If you want to pick it up, I will have links in the description. You can get this from Amazon. I think it's like $49 or so. So it's not too expensive. It's definitely not cheap either, but it's not like the $80 or $90 cases. So you are protecting your $1,000 phone though. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think it's actually pretty cool. I do like how it has that pin on there, similar to the Samsung case. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.